A federal judge will soon decide whether a Texas law requiring the 10 Commandments be posted in all public school classrooms can take effect next month. News 4 San Antonio's Mariah Medina was in the courtroom and joins us with details.
Attorneys for those individuals that filed this lawsuit against several Texas school districts, including several here locally, are trying to prevent the law from taking effect September 1st. Government-mandated endorsement of religious beliefs or a reference to history. Federal Judge Fred Beery heard arguments from attorneys from the American Civil Liberties Union and from representatives from Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton's office this morning. Cameras not allowed in the courtroom, but attorneys for the ACLU telling the court that Senate Bill 10 is unconstitutional, asking for a preliminary injunction, saying, quote, "From kindergarten to senior year, math to biology, students will be faced with government-mandated scripture." That attorney pointing to a website, Texas Values, that claims to track the 10 Commandments in classrooms in real time to illustrate the millions of Texas kids who will see these signs, which they argue violate the Constitution. The president of Texas Values pushing back.
The problem is the U.S. Supreme Court has said the opposite. They've said that numerous times in court cases, that there's no doubt that the 10 Commandments have some historical relevance and significance to our American law and founding.
The ACLU and Attorney General's office presented competing witnesses. The ACLU's arguing there is no historical relation between the 10 Commandments and the foundation of the country. The AG's arguing the opposite.
And that's what we're trying to do with the state law, with the Texas 10 Commandments law, is make sure we've got a display in the classroom, because the 10 Commandments have had a historical connection to America's founding, and it's important for us to show that with having that on display.
The statute is silent on what happens if schools and campuses don't comply. Attorneys for the ACLU are asking that districts named in the suit, including two of San Antonio's largest districts, Northeast and Northside ISD, along with Alamo Heights ISD, be prohibited from implementing the law. And it could be a while before the judge renders his decision. However, September 1st is quickly approaching. Outside the Western District Courthouse, Mariah Medina, News 4, San Antonio.
New tonight, Texas